We know that deciding to start a new career journey can feel overwhelming.
So we're here to answer your biggest questions
and show you why this could be one of the best decisions you'll ever make.
So one of the biggest questions we get is whether Wagon is worth the investment. And yes, you're going to start to see those returns really quickly. We have alumni that secure jobs, they start freelance projects, they also will get promoted within their current businesses really quickly after the bootcamp finishes.
A lot of people ask me, is it really possible to change careers, especially if I don't have a background in tech? That was me. Before Wagon, I was in customer services and I wasn't sure I had what it took to make that change. But the bootcamp was designed for people like us. It teaches you everything from scratch. And by the end of it, you've built real projects and real confidence. What made a huge difference for me was the career support. They helped me to craft a new CV, prep for interviews, and connect me with the right opportunities, which is how I secured my current role.
It's not just about the short-term wins, it's actually about the long-term investments and the future-proofing that you're doing to your career. You're learning skills like problem solving, working with data, AI literacy, which are all going to continue to open doors for you throughout your career journey. Plus, the Wagon name carries weight. We're trusted by employers and we're backed by a global community who are there to support you after you finish the bootcamp. We also have a careers team who will support you every step of the way, making sure you know exactly what you need to do to secure that next opportunity. So yes, the investment is real, but so is the return, and it really could be life-changing.
We know the cost of the bootcamp can feel overwhelming, but we're here to help you work through it. Wagon offers various funding options, including flexible monthly instalment plans, which means you don't have to pay everything up front and you can spread the cost over time to make it more manageable. There are also scholarships available, like our Tech and AI Fluency Fund. This can cover up to 50% of tuition fees for people in underrepresented groups in tech. And in some cases, your current employer might be willing to help cover the cost if it benefits your role. And you're not on your own. We'll guide you through all your options because we want to make this as accessible for as many people as possible.
Well, we hear this a lot. How can I fit the bootcamp around my job, my family, my other responsibilities? It's a fair concern and the bootcamp is intense, but it's also structured and completely achievable with the right planning. We've designed different formats to fit different lives. You can study full-time on campus if you want to move fast and amongst peers, or choose a part-time or remote option if you need more flexibility. And you're not doing it alone. There's a whole support system, staff, teachers, your fellow students, and a community of over 30,000 alumni who are all in it and happy to help each other. Yes, it's a few months of hard work, but what you get in return is a new skill set, a new career path, and a new level of confidence. So it's totally worth it.
If you're ready to take the next step, we're here to support you.
Visit wagon.com and get in touch with our student advisors.
Let's build your future together.